Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Let's see what will be our today's topic. It is Unit 10, make sentence plus question answer. I am telling again, Unit 10, make sentence plus question answer. Dear students, in our previous class of English literature, you read the text and learn the word meaning. Today, inshallah, it is make sentence and question answer. In these connections, I want to get your attention. So look, make sentence, only 4 make sentences are given here. So look, field. The cows were gazing in the field. The cows were gazing in the field. Honey. Bees collect honey from the flowers and make honey. Hummed. There were beautiful little hummed all over the land. Cloud. The sky was covered with dark cloud. The sky was covered with dark cloud. These 4 are your make sentences and this is your homework. So look, Unit 10 make sentences. These sessions will be your homework. Our another session is question answer. Answer these questions. Here 4 question answers are given. Number 1, why did the field look dull in the beginning? The field looked dull in the beginning as it was flat and covered with nothing but green grass. 2, how did the field grow a hump? Answer, the field pushed and shoved again and again and finally it grew a beautiful little hump. 2 number, what did the cloud do to the hollow? Answer, the cloud poured rain into the hollow. Last question answer, why did the field want rainbows? Answer, the field wanted rainbows because he loved the rainbows in the sky more than anything else. These are our 4 question answer. So I am telling again, our last session is homework. It is Unit 10 make sentences. Only 4 make sentences. Dear students, one important things. You can prepare the make sentences with these given words, but you have to write grammatically correct sentences. These are the end of our class. I hope that you have understood our today's class and you will do your homework properly. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.